Namaskar and welcome to all third-year electrical engineering students of DY Patil Education Society's School of Engineering and Management, Kasba Bavda, Kolhapur. Congratulations on completing your second year. As you step into this next chapter, you're at a turning point, choosing your professional electives. These aren't just subjects, they're stepping stones toward your dream career. Today, we'll explore three exciting options: renewable energy systems, analog and digital circuits, and electrical distribution systems. Let's start with renewable energy systems. This subject dives into solar, wind, hydro, and biomass energy. You'll study how to generate electricity from sustainable sources, use storage systems like batteries and fuel cells, and integrate renewables into the power grid using smart technologies. This is your calling if you care about clean energy, sustainability, and building a greener future. With India's push for renewable energy, you'll find opportunities in design, installation, research, operations, and even policy consulting.
So you're thinking about a career in renewable energy systems in India? Let me tell you, it's not just a trend, it's the future. Step 1. Understand the demand. India is investing heavily in solar and wind energy. Step 2. Get the right skills. Courses in engineering and sustainability are key. Final step. Network with industry professionals. Opportunities are everywhere. Boom. You're on your way to a fulfilling career that helps the planet. Want to make a difference? Start your journey in renewable energy today.
Next, let's talk about analog and digital circuits. This subject teaches the foundation of electronics, amplifiers, op-amps, logic gates, microcontrollers, and more. You'll understand how signals flow, how to build and debug circuits, and how to design the systems behind everything from mobile phones to medical devices. It's perfect if you're interested in embedded systems, IoT, VLSI, or communication hardware. This is a core skill set every electrical engineer should have. A strong understanding of circuit theory and electronic components will help you excel here. You'll also be introduced to future tech like neuromorphic chips, mixed signal ICs, and quantum-level circuit design.
As an electrical engineer, understanding circuits is crucial. Analog and digital circuits are the backbone of modern technology. Step 1. Grasp the fundamentals of signal processing. This knowledge empowers you to design and innovate. Step 2. Learn how to troubleshoot and optimize systems. These skills are essential in real-world applications.
Finally, we have electrical distribution systems. This subject focuses on how power reaches homes, factories, and cities. You'll learn about substations, transformers, distribution networks, voltage regulation, system protection, and how to modernize our grids with smart technologies. It's ideal if you want to work in utility companies, consulting, smart city planning, or grid modernization. With India investing in reliable and digital power distribution, this subject prepares you for high-demand roles. You'll need a good grasp of power systems and AC fundamentals. You'll also explore trends like automated fault detection, smart meters, and AI-based predictive maintenance.
So, you think electrical engineers just fix wires? Not quite. We play a crucial role in electrical distribution systems. Step 1. Design efficient layouts to deliver power safely. It's all about balancing load and minimizing losses. Step 2. Ensure compliance with safety standards and regulations. We're the guardians of reliable electricity for everyone. Final step. Collaborate with teams to implement smart technologies. Boom. Power delivered seamlessly, keeping the lights on. Electrical distribution systems subject focuses on how power reaches homes, factories, and cities. You'll learn about
Every subject is valuable, it's about what fits you best. So there you have it, 3 incredible subjects with powerful career potential. Whichever path you choose, make sure it aligns with your curiosity and ambition. Your journey as an engineer is just getting started. Make it meaningful, make it yours. All the best from the Electrical Engineering Department at DY Patil Education Society's School of Engineering and Management, Kolhapur. Keep learning, keep growing, and let your passion lead the way. Choose what inspires you. For more guidance, contact your department faculty.